Today we're here in Wallingford next to Route 15 to talk about a bridge construction project that may affect you in the near future. This bridge you see over my shoulder was built in 1946. Although it was rehabbed in 1984, it's reached the end of its service life and needs to be replaced. During construction, Route 15 northbound and southbound, in the immediate area of the bridge will be reduced to one lane in each direction, with all traffic placed on the southbound side of Route 15. This traffic pattern will be in effect for 1 week, with work happening around the clock. To minimize disruption to the traveling public, new bridge sections have been built off-site, allowing the contractor to rapidly replace the bridge. Large cranes will be used to remove the old bridge sections and install the new ones. Additional signs have been deployed to alert motorists of the upcoming construction. Motorists are urged to use I-91 as a bypass. The work on this project is being coordinated with the I-691-91 Route 15 project in Meriden to alleviate any conflicts between the two. Also during construction, the Quinnipiac River Trail will remain open. Remember, as you approach the crossover and the work zone, remain vigilant, slow down, and ditch the distractions.